Welcome back, car lovers. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn as supercar that doesn't just break barriers but annihilates them. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora, the most advanced and powerful Corvette ever made. Fusing hybrid performance, razor-sharp design, and next-gen tech, the Zora is Chevrolet's boldest statement yet. Whether you're a die-hard Corvette fan or just love fast cars with serious attitude, this review is built for you. Let's get right into the beast's bold design. Body panels. The Corvette Zora is sculpted for speed. Crafted from a mix of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, the body panels are both aerodynamic and aggressively styled. Every crease, every vent has a purpose: managing airflow, reducing lift, and maximizing downforce. The low, wide stance is unmistakably Corvette, but the Zora takes it to the next level with active Aero elements that adjust on the fly depending on speed and driving mode. Headlights. Up front, the LED matrix headlights are slim, angular, and intensely focused. They're equipped with adaptive lighting that curves with the road, enhancing nighttime visibility. The daytime running lights form a sharp Z-shaped signature, a nod to Zora Orchestuntov, the Corvette's visionary father, and a visual warning to anything daring to line up next to it. Taillights. Out back, the quad-style LED taillights retain that classic Corvette shape but with a modern twist. They feature dynamic sequential turn signals and integrated cooling vents just beneath the rear-mounted hybrid system. A functional rear diffuser and retractable spoiler complete the aggressive look, keeping the rear planted at high speeds. Grille. The front grille on the Zora is wide and functional, channeling air to the mid-mounted radiators that cool both the engine and the electric components. It features active shutters that optimize airflow based on driving needs, whether you're in city traffic or tearing up the track. The blacked-out honeycomb mesh, with carbon fiber trim, makes it as intimidating as it is functional. Ready to step inside? Buckle up, because this cockpit is pure adrenaline with a luxury twist. Seats. The Zora's seats are performance-oriented yet surprisingly comfortable. Standard are carbon fiber bucket seats with Alcantara and leather-wrapped surfaces, offering heating, ventilation, and 16-way adjustability. Bolstering is track-tuned to keep you firmly in place during high-G maneuvers, while contrast stitching and Zora embroidery remind you this isn't just another Corvette. Dashboard. The dashboard wraps around the driver like a fighter jet cockpit. Layered with carbon fiber, suede microfiber, and aluminum trim, the design is all about immersion. A configurable 12-inch digital gauge cluster displays everything from tire temps to lap times, while ambient lighting shifts color based on drive mode: a stealthy blue in tour mode, fiery red in track. Infotainment system. Center stage is a new 11.9-inch OLED infotainment display, running GM's latest interface with ultra-fast response and crisp resolution. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a performance telemetry system that records lap data and even a dash cam footage. Integrated navigation comes with performance routing, which suggests optimal paths for spirited driving. And yes, over-the-air updates keep everything fresh. Steering wheel. The squared-off, flat top and bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with carbon inserts. It houses tactile controls for drive modes, audio, voice control, and even custom launch settings. Magnesium paddle shifters give that satisfying click, and haptic feedback adds a digital touch to traditional driving. Now for what makes the Zora an entirely new species of Corvette: what's under the skin. Engine. At the heart of the Zora lies a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, derived from the Z06's LT6 but completely re-engineered. This monster alone delivers over 700 horsepower, screaming to 8,600 RPM with an exotic, spine-tingling howl. The V8 sits mid-mounted, improving balance and enabling explosive acceleration. Hybrid option. But here's where the Zora breaks ground. A front-mounted electric motor adds an additional 200+ horsepower to the mix, creating a combined output north of 900 horsepower with all-wheel drive capability. This EAWD system enhances corner exit speed and provides instant torque from the moment you hit the throttle. Regenerative braking, a plug-in battery system, and selectable EV-only mode make the Zora both savage and smart. 0 to 60? Just under 2.5 seconds. And yes, it feels like warp speed. Power like this demands safety that doesn't cut corners. Let's talk about what's protecting you. Airbags. The Zora includes a full suite of airbags, dual-stage front, side impact, knee airbags, and even a front center airbag for added driver-passenger separation in side collisions. The lightweight carbon monocoque structure is also designed to absorb and redistribute crash forces for maximum occupant protection. Parking assist. Despite its supercar proportions, the Zora is surprisingly easy to handle in tight spots. A surround view HD camera system, rear cross-traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic braking make low-speed maneuvering effortless. There's even a nose lift system that can be GPS programmed to raise at specific driveways or speed bumps and no more scraping the front lip. Price. Now, the million-dollar question, or rather, the six-figure one. The 2026 Corvette Zora starts at $175,000, and that's for a supercar with performance on par with European exotics, double the price. With options like the Zora Track Pack, carbon ceramic brakes, and performance telemetry upgrades, you could be looking at just under $200,000 fully spec'd. Still, for what it delivers, the Zora is an absolute performance bargain. So, what do we think? The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is not just a new chapter, it's a new era. It combines the soul of the Corvette with cutting-edge hybrid tech and a design that rivals the world's most elite supercars. Whether you're tracking it, cruising it, or simply admiring it in the garage, the Zora is proof that American performance has never looked or felt this good. If you're as impressed as we are, smash the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews like this one. Until next time, keep driving fast, smart, and always in style.